Indi kamune malwanio, it's corn season once again, and today we are going to be making Ukpo Oka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe in case you haven't subscribed. Thank you. Let's go to the market. Today we are going to Baleke market in Agbo to buy fresh corn. To make Ukpo, you need soft fresh corn, not strong ones, soft ones. We also need, most importantly, achologilite, dried prawns. You cannot make Ukpo without it. It gives it a very unique taste. In fact, in Ekaland, achologilite means that you don't need any other seasoning when you use dried prawns. If you want your Ukpo to be very sweet, you have to put lots of onions and achologilite, and also fresh soft corn. You cannot use strong corn or kampo as we call it. If at all you must use strong corn, it should be a mixture of soft and strong corn, and it must be fresh, because the corn is going to determine how the ukpo is going to taste. So if you use strong corn, the outcome is not always good. So it's better to use fresh soft corn. Take out as much silk as you can. After doing that, we'll proceed to blend the corn. Now, if you want to blend corn for ukpo, it does not have to be very smooth. In fact, it should be roughly blended. Now, wash our onions and cut into bits. Then we also wash our dried prawns with hot water. We also add our fresh peppers and blend everything together. While we are blending that, I'll proceed to wash the leaves. This is what it should look like after blending, not too smooth and not too rough. At this point, we'll add our palm oil, salt, seasoning, and stir until everything is well incorporated. Also, you need to add water so you don't end up with strong ukpo when it's cooked. Taste if your salt and seasoning is enough. If not, add more so you don't end up with a bland ukpo. Stir until everything is well incorporated, and this is the consistency you want to go for. Not too thick and not too watery, just perfect. After that, we set up our fire and start wrapping our ukpo. After about 1 hour 45 minutes, the ukpo was ready. You can see that the leaf has changed its color to show that the ukpo is ready. Ukpo Oka is one of those food I wish was not a seasonal food, because I love it so much that I can eat it all year round. But then again, corn is a seasonal food. It's now time to eat our ukpo. You can see how nice it looks. Trust me, believe me when I say it tasted so good. Have you eaten ukpo before, or would you be trying it out? Please let me know. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I upload amazing videos. I will see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye.